Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have energy essence and selecting the skill that benefits most. This maximizes effect per pickup. Once done, toggle auto-collect only if safe. Otherwise, plan a short route. Move to the spawn side of the map and clear one lane quickly so you can safely grab the first essence. Make sure to avoid heavy enemy clusters when activating essences. This preserves HP and ensures the energy boost applies to your chosen skill immediately. You should chain essence pickups to maintain continuous uptime on the effect. Timing is crucial. Start by using the ability right as essence completes the pickup animation, which avoids wasted seconds. Once you have a rhythm, alternate lanes, so pickups overlap and durations refresh rather than stack inefficiently. Make sure to use obstacles and platform transitions for short invulnerability frames while casting. This reduces interruptions. You finish by saving at least one essence for boss bursts or emergency escapes. This gives you clutch flexibility. If pickups don't register, check for inventory overflow, wrong skill equipped, or input lag. Switching skills and repicking often resets the state. Once resolved, re-establish your pickup route and avoid reckless chases. Make sure to reposition behind cover before activating an essence so the buff applies without immediate damage, which keeps your sustain and damage output reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.